See, today my speech is on popular misconceptions about the stock market. I am new to that, so I will be speaking about that. So obviously you might all be very much interested in knowing stock market, but you all have your common myths revolving around the Indian society like stock market is this and that. So I will try to resolve some of the issues. So first, let me introduce the stock market. Our biggest stock market in India is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. It is one of the largest stock market in the whole world and the first in Asia, first to be established in Asia. And amazingly, it was established in 1855 by 4 Gujaratis and 1 Parsi. They sat under a banyan tree and they were just selling shares, like literal shares to all the people. And today we have like 5,000 companies listed and money flowing like tsunami. But at that time we only had 5 small companies involved when they started, and then only 7 rupees total was there to be traded. Trading is selling and buying of shares. So let's get into the myths involved. So the first point is, we all think like share market is only for the rich. No, it's not like that. Every person is invited, every person is welcome for the share market. You don't need anyone's permission, any special permission. You just need a PAN card to get an account, demat account, to start the share market, and you can start trading with only 1 rupee. Like least is 1 rupee. And many companies attract customers to start. They offer 10 times of how much you have in the account. So if you have 10,000 rupees in your account, you can trade up to 1 lakh rupees, and all the profit will be yours. They won't be charging anything for that. So share market is really not for the rich. Anyone is welcome, and there is no. Coming to the second myth. Second myth is, we all see those scripts. It's called scripts that running the numbers that are running in a very huge TV screen. So we think like share market is something we won't be able to understand. So maybe rocket science would be easier than understanding the share market. But it is not like that. If you get proper training, even 1 day seminar would be enough to understand all the aspects of share market. Then it's all about your experiences, the gain and profit and loss, and understanding the charts, and you will get to know. The third thing is, when the market, we all assume that market is going down, so we don't need to invest. Like when the market goes up, only then we earn. This is also a myth. Actually, in share market, when the market is going down, then also you can earn that much amount when it was going up. Because there is a process called short trading, where you can first sell the stock, get into the negative, and then buy the stock at the lower price, and the difference will be your profit. So it doesn't mean there is no bad time or good time. It's always the right time to trade. Fourth thing is, people always assume like the brokers, broking firms can cheat them. So that's also not true. Just like net banking, we can use net banking for giving or sending and receiving the money. We all get demat accounts, and we are only responsible for the trade. We can do all the trades ourselves. And according to SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, they have outlined rules like if you are asking a broker to do a transaction, and so the broker always should have a written document or something written that you have all told him to do that. Or otherwise, if it's a verbal agreement, he should record the phone. So obviously when you call that broking firm, they will record your phone that you are telling the broker to buy or sell the shares for them. So if they can't show the evidence, they will have to pay for the losses that you have done. And the last thing is, trading is equivalent to gambling. We all think that in share market is sheer luck, but it's not like that. If you have proper education about the share market, if you learn well, then it's not gambling. You actually can identify the patterns. Very big traders like Charles Dow have actually created theories on share market, like how you can actually understand the patterns going in the market and make use of that. So these are the popular myths that revolves around the share market, and I will be just giving you some advice on how to get started in the share market. There are 3 golden rules. First is get started anyway.